Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a tool that I've been using for a little while now. It's called Generalized Hyperbolic Stretch, and I just wanted to show it because not a lot of people know too much about it, and it's a really good tool for darker nebulae like the Iris Nebula here, and also a really good tool for galaxies. For nebula, just regular like emission, it's like a 50-50 because it doesn't give the best contrast, but it does bring out those like really faint details, which is why it's good for like galaxies, and also it gives those galaxies the nice cores without having to mask it. This is not my data, this is Trevor from Astro Backyard's data. I was kind of lazy, I didn't really want to edit my data to the point where I could stretch it. His was pretty much mostly edited, so I just had to do like dB and color calibration and maybe some star reduction. Anyway, first I'm going to show you guys what just a regular screen transfer function stretch looks like. This is just like the average regular stretch that people usually do. I'm gonna try a little bit on getting this to be like real nice. It's a little green, I might want to hit that with this, Okay, that seems pretty good. I mean, yeah, that seems pretty good. You can always change it later. So this is just a regular histogram transformation. Pretty good. And now I'm going to show you guys GHS, I call it, or some people call it. Now this tool is a lot of little things, but realistically all you need to do is find the one, which is DB1 right here. It'll give you a little preview, and then these two are the ones you want to worry about. You can also do like histogram transformation, and it's all these other kind of stretches here, but I usually only use it for this one. Now if you just stretch it like that, you're gonna get like a really wonky photo, like that doesn't look very good. What I usually do is a local stretch intensity. I usually lower that to -1, and 1 second here. If I can lower it to 1, that'd be nice. There it is. Okay. Now, immediately you can already see core is amazing, and you'll see how it stretches without actually losing the core. So I'm gonna go to 9.5, 9.6. 6 is good. And yeah, right now you'll see it looks very like bright, and it should look like that. You want it to look like that, and I'll show you how to fix that. It's super simple. Okay. Yes. No, I don't want to save it. Anyway. So immediately, more details, but you just want to take this grand transformation, and just really easy. Like as you can see, there's a lot of that weird room, so you just want to slide it over and like maybe brighten it up a little bit because you just clipped all the, not clip it, but yeah. And just do that really quick. Really simple. I don't want to clip any data, so I'm not gonna be doing it. So, okay. So this is kinda what I'm talking about. You can do a little bit more, but I like to leave a little bit of room for editing purposes, because sometimes when you make an edit, it might move the histogram this way or that way. So when the last step usually when I process is like go here and just go, not like that, but like you get the point. Anyway, so immediately, as you can see, biggest difference, a lot more what's it called? A lot more nebulosity, and getting those dark dust lanes, bringing them out. Hold up, this is kind of annoying. Oh my god. 1 sec. Let me just try and show you the same exact thing, but like just a lot more dust, like everywhere. Like you can see a lot more of that, and also the colors are less saturated, but also then again it leaves you with more freedom to do whatever kind of thing you want. Sorry, I just gotta run this messy on this because the green is kind of killing me. But yeah, this is kind of the difference you can kind of expect from it. Of course, you can do a bunch of different edits to get different photos. If you like this more crispy, you know, like contrasty, if that makes sense, edit, then use this the regular one. But if you want this like nice, like you can definitely tell the difference on the cores, nice core, everything. One thing I like doing is after I do this one, if I really feel like I couldn't, what's it called, just use the histogram transformation enough, I'll just use HDR multi-scale transform, and you'll see exactly what it does. It kind of just makes it all neutral, the colors, or the brightnesses, so that it's not all bright. So like, now look at that, now that's very much more comparable, I would say, to it. But it depends on your interests and stuff like that. But yeah, you can definitely tell more nebulosity in each area. This is why I like using this tool. Sometimes we'll use this one, like I said, on some nebula. If I have just like the entire thing is on nebulosity, I don't have to worry about getting those faint details. I'll use just regular screen transfer function, because sometimes it does work better for that. But for the most part, this one, generalized hyperbolic stretch, is really a great tool, and I recommend using it. It's just a script. If I find the link, I'll put it in the description. But it should be it's free. I don't remember paying for it. So yeah, and it's right. It should be just under utilities. It's one of them that you have to get. Anyway, that's the video. Bye bye.